Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to add a service provider contact in TenantCloud. To get started from your dashboard, simply go over to the left side menu and select Service Pros. From here, you'll see all of the service providers that you already have added into the system, and you'll see a button in the upper right corner that says Add Service Pro. Simply select that button to get started. Keep in mind, a service pro can be anybody, such as a local contractor that you use on a routine basis that you want to pay through the TenantCloud system, or it can even be any other type of service provider that maybe does not have a TenantCloud account or will not create a TenantCloud account, such as larger companies like cell phone companies such as AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, etc., or even local box stores or maintenance supply locations such as Home Depot, Lowe's, and others, where you want to record expenses being paid out to those various entities. All of those different types of businesses would be entered as a service pro in TenantCloud. So let's get started and add in the information here. All right, we've added all of the information in that we wanted to add. Now, please note that we've selected to display as a company because this is Home Depot, where we frequently purchase materials and supplies for the rental properties. And we've added it as a general provider and a hardware store. And we can upload any associated documents with this particular service provider if we want, as well as the address if there is a particular location that we routinely go to. And we can simply click Create. Great. You have added your Service Pro into the TenantCloud platform. And from here, you're going to see a couple of tabs, one that says Profile and one that says Transactions, in the event that you have recorded any expenses out to this service provider, as well as any outstanding balances owed. And you can also view additional information here, as well as a timeline icon showing you any history associated with this particular contact. And you can add in invoices right from here, as well as select actions. And if this were, as we mentioned previously, a local service provider that you routinely have do service at your property, and you want to be able to pay them through the TenantCloud platform, you would simply select Send Connection, at which point it's going to ask you for the email address to send that connection request to. Once the service provider receives the connection request, they will be able to create a TenantCloud account and add in the bank account information where they want to receive payments from you. And you will be able to then pay them invoices through the TenantCloud system, and they will be able to receive those funds automatically, as well as to be able to bill you in the future for any additional work down the road. And that is how easy it is to add a Service Pro on TenantCloud. To get started for free, just go to www.tenantcloud.com and click Sign Up Today.